Sydney is more than its iconic Opera House and Harbour Bridge. It's a city of stunning beaches, vibrant neighborhoods, and hidden secrets that most visitors miss. In this video, we'll explore Sydney's must-see landmarks, local favorites, and insider tips to help you experience the city like never before. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more travel adventures around the world. Sydney, Australia's most iconic city, is more than just the Opera House and Harbour Bridge. It's a destination where dazzling natural beauty blends with vibrant urban life, hidden histories, and local secrets. From golden beaches and bustling harbors to tucked-away laneways and cultural gems, Sydney rewards those who look deeper. Point 10. The Rocks, colonial secrets beneath the cobblestone. Sydney began at the Rocks, a historic district nestled by the harbour. Tourists admire its sandstone pubs and markets, but many don't realize its laneways hide tales of convicts, smugglers, and sailors. Guided ghost tours bring these alleys to life, recounting stories of crime and survival in Australia's earliest European settlement. Wander through Susanna Place Museum, a row of old terrace houses preserved to show daily life across the 19th and 20th centuries. At night, the Rocks transforms into a lively hub of restaurants and pubs, but beneath its modern face lies the memory of Sydney's turbulent beginnings. Point 9. Darling Harbour entertainment with a twist. Darling Harbour is known for its attractions, the aquarium, museums, and dining precinct, but beyond the crowds lie quiet corners and hidden cultural treasures. The Chinese Garden of Friendship, for example, is a serene oasis where waterfalls, koi ponds, and traditional pavilions provide a break from the urban bustle. The harbour also hides stories of maritime heritage, with preserved ships and exhibitions at the Australian National Maritime Museum. Few visitors realize that Darling Harbour's redevelopment was once controversial, a transformation from a gritty industrial port into today's entertainment playground. Point 8. Sydney Tower eye views beyond the obvious. Most tourists head straight to the viewing deck of Sydney Tower, but its hidden secret is the 360-degree perspective it gives of the city's natural geography. On a clear day, you can see as far as the Blue Mountains, the Pacific Ocean, and even spot planes descending toward the airport. The Skywalk experience, an outdoor glass-floored platform, offers breathtaking views with the thrill of standing high above the city. While many stop only for photos, those who linger can trace Sydney's unique mix of beaches, bushland, and sprawling suburbs, appreciating how nature and urban design coexist. Point 7. Taronga Zoo wildlife with a harbour backdrop. Taronga Zoo is famous, but its real charm lies in its setting. Located on the slopes overlooking Sydney Harbour, it offers unbeatable views while housing exotic and native animals. Beyond the main exhibits, secret trails and keeper talks reveal conservation projects and behind-the-scenes efforts to protect endangered species. Taking the ferry to the zoo is part of the magic, with the skyline and Opera House behind you as you cross the harbour. For the adventurous, Taronga even offers a roar and snore overnight experience, letting visitors camp with animals against the backdrop of city lights. A unique Sydney secret. Point 6. Manly Beach, a ferry ride to paradise. Bondi may steal the spotlight, but Manly offers a more relaxed beach experience. Reached by ferry from Circular Quay, the journey itself is iconic, passing the Opera House and open harbour. Once in Manly, a seaside promenade, surf schools, and casual cafes welcome visitors. Hidden walking trails lead to Shelley Beach and North Head, where rugged cliffs provide panoramic views and glimpses of native wildlife. Manly embodies Sydney's balance of urban life and coastal retreat, making it a favorite among locals seeking a slower pace than Bondi's bustle. Point 5. Royal Botanic Garden green oasis by the harbour. Tucked between the Opera House and the city centre, the Royal Botanic Garden is both a natural refuge and a living museum of plants. Beyond its lawns and ponds, the gardens house rare collections from across the world, including Australia's unique flora. The garden also hides historical curiosities, like Mrs. Macquarie's chair, a sandstone bench carved in 1810 by convicts, offering one of the best views of the harbour. At sunrise, joggers and photographers gather here, while at night, fruit bats swoop through the treetops. It's one of Sydney's most peaceful escapes, hiding secrets amid its flowers and towering trees. Point 4. Sydney Harbour Bridge climb. Walk and discover the Harbour Bridge isn't just for photos, it's for exploration. Walking across gives sweeping views of the city, while the Pylon Lookout offers a cheaper and less crowded alternative to the famous bridge climb. Inside the pylons, exhibitions tell the story of the bridge's construction, engineering challenges, and the workers who risked their lives. For thrill seekers, the bridge climb itself is unforgettable, taking you high above the traffic to see the city in all directions. What most don't realize is that the bridge is also a cultural symbol, nicknamed the coat hanger, representing Sydney's determination during the Great Depression when it was completed in 1932.3. Bondi to Coogee Coastal Walk, Clifftop Beauty. Sydney's most scenic experience is free. The Bondi to Coogee Walk. Stretching 6 kilometers along dramatic cliffs, it reveals hidden beaches, rock pools, and viewpoints over the Pacific Ocean. Along the way, you'll pass Tamarama and Bronte beaches, quieter than Bondi but equally beautiful. Each stop has its own character. Surfing at Bondi, family picnics at Bronte, and snorkeling at Clovelly. In spring, the walk transforms into an outdoor gallery during Sculpture by the Sea, when artists place installations along the coastal path. The blend of nature, art, and community spirit makes this walk a defining Sydney experience. Point 2. Sydney Opera House. More than a postcard icon, the Opera House is Sydney's most famous landmark. But beyond its iconic sails lies a world of secrets. Its design, inspired by seashells and ship sails, was once deemed impossible to build. Today, tours reveal hidden rehearsal rooms, backstage corridors, and the architectural challenges faced by Bjørn Utzon, the Danish architect who left the project mid-construction. The Opera House is not only a venue for opera. It hosts everything from rock concerts to indigenous performances and comedy shows. Few visitors realize its role as a cultural hub, constantly evolving and embracing Sydney's diverse artistic identity. Point 1. Sydney Harbour. The city's beating heart. At the top of the list is Sydney Harbour itself, the jewel that ties the city together. Known to the traditional owners, the Gadigal people of the Eora Nation, as Warrain, the harbour is both a cultural and natural treasure. Ferries crisscross the water, linking beaches, suburbs, and attractions. Hidden coves like Milk Beach and Shark Island offer secluded escapes, while luxury yachts glide past fishing boats and kayakers. The harbour is also a place of stories, of Indigenous heritage, colonial arrival, and modern celebration during New Year's Eve fireworks. Whether seen from the water, from above, or from its countless lookouts, the harbour defines Sydney, embodying its beauty, history, and spirit. From breathtaking harbours to golden beaches and tucked-away gems, Sydney offers something for everyone. If this guide helped you see a new side of the city, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more authentic travel guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.